Ndrete. How are you doing? Naki Madaraka Day ya babera. Nitamwimbia Bwana siku zote za maisha yangu. Nitamwimbia Bwana siku zote za maisha yangu. Akimagenda tawa kusiba minto. Nakimadaraka ya baira, how is corona taking you? Let us talk. Victor, nywere na kibono whatever. How are you people? Nakimogendrete, how has been Madaraka? How are you coping with life, quarantine, and this whole lockdown situation? I hope you are doing fine. I'm also doing fine. Go join. Thank you. Hope mbiyamogendrete na nchembiyande nondega iga. Victor Nikoroche. Onywere. What did you do? Did you celebrate? By then, happy Madaraka Day. What are you doing? Let's talk. Janon Karanstetu, I have really nothing to do much. You can't go out. You know. Sanitizing, putting on mask, social distancing. That's what we are doing, I mean. What are you doing? So guys, I hope hope you are a distance, avoid crowds, and I just hope Madaraka yaba. So I just want to wish you a nice day, nice afternoon. Diaspora, may you have a lovely day. So you are going to sleep like me in a few hours. Also, we share a good night. Thank you so much for supporting. So ko watch video cheto, ko comment, ko like, our subscribers, yani nyi watu wa nguvu. May God bless you abundantly. So guys, na wewe yarenge na tuko wa wish happy Madaraka Day, and till next time, goodbye.